So before we can get started programming with the hash map, I really want to go over these methods just to make sure you got them. So let's go ahead and create a map that maps one string to another string, something basic like that, right? So the first thing we do is we insert the key hello and the value foo. We can insert the key world and the value bar and the value LLL. Sorry, the key LLL with the value bars. So we run this, and we see that our map is hello, has the key hello value foo, key world value bar, key LLL value bars. Okay. Now what's worth noting is that if we do a put operation and the key already exists, so we have LLL and Fred, it will overwrite the previous key. Sorry, overwrite the previous key value pair. So here, Boz gets overridden by Fred, so LLL Fred. Okay, and printing out the map just simply works the map. So the other two big operations there are the kind of like primitive operations you'll use all the time are map.get, which given a key gives you the value associated with that key. So hello will return foo. Right, and that won't remove it, right? Get just simply returns the value associated with it. Map.remove, on the other hand, of course, as it says on the tin, will remove the key value pairing, and will also give you back the value in case you want to do something with it later. So here, after the remove operation, we get world equals bar LLL Fred. Okay, so that's those operations. Now, suppose you wanted to iterate through everything in a set. You have two ways of in a map, well, you have two ways of doing that. The first way is to create and they both involve doing a for each loop. So let's go ahead and do for each string thing. Now, the question is, what do you want to iterate over? Typically, we want to iterate over all the keys. So we would use, say, key set, which would give you this returns a set, and it's composed of all the keys. So we could print out, so here we could print out thing. So we could do something like this. Key is key thing plus slash tab value plus map.get thing. Assuming I, of course, put the parentheses and everything in the right place. So, key world value bar, key LLL value Fred, and of course there's a value set as well. There's also a contains key and contains value, which do exactly as you would expect them to do on the tin. So now what kind of can we use these things for? What is the purpose of this? Well, the idea here is that you can kind of create your own like custom-made array, right, with your own indices that you specify. So you can specify the indices to be whatever, and you can put whatever you want in the value. So it's kind of pretty powerful there. Now what's the use case for that? Two very, very, very broad use cases, as I've mentioned before. Counting things and categorizing things. So we're going to go over, in the video coming up, the most basically classic problem there is for maps, which is word count.